YouTube. Today I have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2 Out of the Shadows, talking action figures, Donatello and Rocksteady. So these are made by Playmates Toys. That's all I remember. I think I may have did a video on them before. You're the one who could find out. And one turtle, Donatello. And one villain, Rhinoceros. Whatever his name is. Rocksteady, yeah. Let's take a look at Donnie first. His next name is Donnie. So, comparison with the other figures, let me get the other ones. The only figure I didn't take out that I had left for the Ninja Turtles was Shredder. I don't have any turtles except for Donnie, the talking Donnie. So, here's a comparison with Bebop and Rocksteady. He's a little bigger. I don't really know if he's supposed to. Maybe. And then Casey Jones, which he is a little smaller than Bebop. They're also smaller, but Krang, and the size gets different because they're all different sizes. So he's like the biggest one you could get, and they go by like size scale. And that's good. Krang would probably be about like the same size, maybe. Did I do a review on Krang? I don't remember. Yeah, they're kind of the same size. And let's take a look at Donnie now. He has his bow staff. It's not removable. Around here it has like some lines, and you could feel them. And up here also, and then he has like this little claw and like a circle in the middle of it. Kinda. Probably. What I'm guessing is, I don't really remember, I saw the movie, so the claws, like, how could I do it with my fingers? So the claws, so here's like the staff and here's the claws, then you just go like this. I don't remember, haven't seen it in a while. Then he has his glasses, they're made of rubber. And this little thing on his head, and the purple bandana. He has a green skin, the shell chest, and the back of the shell. He also has a backpack thing, and headphones and an antenna. That's, you pull it down, and that's how it activates the sounds. Movement, you don't have much here except for the battle sounds. Turn it here, go up and down, and twist in here. And articulation around like this here, like this, and in the wrist, whatever, and here, and legs just go like this, spin around, same with this leg also. Can't really stand that much, don't really know why. And you can kind of position him into holding his staff in both hands. And his hands are like kind of rubbery, so you can move it around his hands, and there. And this also can rotate all around and go up and down because it's on a ball joint. Now, let's get the battle sounds ready. You have to take it out because it only works in one hand. You can position this up so it's more like going down. So, see, it kind of moves. There's one of the sounds, like an extendy sound.
Guys, we gotta scram!
Doesn't really sound like him. Battle sound.
Careful! I need to run a more thorough analysis.
It's neutronium.
Dude! Careful! Guys, we gotta scram! I know exactly what you need.
Was battle sounds. Donnie has like pants on also stuff. And here's Rocksteady. Same movement. Also wrote this all the way around. And same movement, kinda, just a different looks. Kind of has like the same pants a little, but like just the reverse colors. Kinda, he has a tail in the back. And each of them have the holes. And here are the chains, same thing, the movement on this one. Movement in the head. Now, just like this. This one works a little bit better.
Yeah! My man! We're invincible! It's time to get mean on the scene!
Never said that.
I gave him a taste of my special sauce!
Never said that.
We're invincible! My man!
Says that a lot.
Ah, I like it! Don't forget our names, Bebop and Rocksteady!
Maybe said it.
Yeah!
Where is it, that one?
Shredder
There.
is better!
Never said it.
My man!
Oh, man. Now let's have a battle scene. You're going down, Rocksteady. Never, you dumb turtle.
Don't forget our names, Bebop and Rocksteady! I gave him a taste of my special sauce! Right now, we're at the city's best hope. This is great!